Hey, just doing a quick video on the 12 volt variable speed drive for the Hornady case feeder. I'm just about done with everything for the Gen 1 case feeder. Just finishing up the instructions, but other than that, everything else is ready. It'll be a complete kit. If you're interested, I'll have the description of everything included, as well the email in the description to get a hold of me if you're interested in it. But you will get in the kit, you will get the instructions, which I'm working on, the drive motor, the hardware for mounting the drive motor. You will get the main power supply harness and the strain relief bushing, which is that part right there. Be the one that supplied. It will actually fit in here for that and for the size of the cable. So you don't have to drill any new holes in the housing for the power supply. You will get the 12 volt power supply itself. You will get the toggle switch, the limit switch and bent for this particular generation case feeder, and you will get the speed control. You won't get, there's no decals. I don't have any decals. I've been kind of doing some search around, but that was actually done by someone I know that has a vinyl cutter. They actually cut it up for me. You will also get, let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything I missed on that. So it'd be the motor, the mounting hardware, the main power supply harness, the strain relief bushing for it, the on and off toggle switch, the limit switch for this particular generation case feeder, the speed control, and the 12 volt power supply and the instructions. So if I missed anything on that first time saying that, I apologize. Now, if anybody is wondering, the reason for a 12 volt variable speed drive is, the reason for the variable speed drive is you can control the speed. You can help reduce or eliminate completely the jamming. What I've found, of course this is a custom made one, so I can allow the cases to tumble around, but if you're using the regular one, you got the opening here. I've always found that when the case is coming through, this is only one speed, so if it's going fast, sometimes it doesn't allow that case to drop because it's rolling so fast around. This is allowing you to adjust the speed, so it allows the case to have time to drop and never jam. That is the reason for that. So you could find out what works best for each caliber that you're doing, and you can kind of keep track about where your dial is for that. Now, if you're running a control panel like this, I do have it set up so the power supply that plugs into that, you would actually use the power supply I use, and it'll plug into their harness, and then you'll have a plug in the back here, which if you are running this and you want the power supply pigtail main harness one that I supply, and you want it to plug in for this, you will have to let me know, because it's actually a little bit longer than the standard that comes with the kit. But just to show you, for people that haven't seen it, I'll try to zoom in here so you can see. I can get all kinds of different speeds. Some of these speeds you will probably never ever go that slow. That right there is the RPM of what it comes factory from Hornady. So you can see the difference at full speed, how fast it runs, and how you can slow it down to help eliminate that jamming. If you want to look inside the bowl, so if you have any interest, let me shut this off so it ain't loud. If you have any interest, get a hold of me through the email that will be in the description. Even if you're interested and it's not quite done yet, let me know. It'll give me an idea what the interest is and what I will need to order, because these are pretty much going to be built to order, and would have to give me at least a week time to make each kit, unless there's multiples. Sometimes I could do multiples in a week actually, but it could even be sooner than that. But just giving you worst case a week before it gets shipped. It could even be sooner than that. And then once I get the instructions done on that, this one here I won't have to do any R&D on it. Pretty much the same stuff, but I got to do different harness for it. There's a little bit of difference in the lever for the limit switch. I am able to use the same limit switch, different lever dimensions and bends. Be a lot of similarities, and then I'll have to do instructions for that. So, all right, well, thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, feel free to get a hold of me. You have a good one.